Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. So today's video is going to be another unboxing. I've done two of these previously, so my Aspinall Mayfair bag unboxing and my Gucci embroidered boots unboxing, and today we're going to be unboxing the Balenciaga Triple S, which are the trainer that has taken over Instagram, quite frankly. They are literally everywhere and I am so obsessed with them. They are probably my favourite trainer ever, and I'm not really a trainer's girl at the best of times. I really wanted these for a very long time and finally bit the bullet and bought them. I'm starting to realise that investing into designer is something I maybe should do more of, because sometimes investing into designer pieces, you actually end up wearing them a lot more and they last a lot longer. So yeah, I just thought I would show you these and talk to you a little bit about them. So you can actually purchase these Balenciaga Triple S trainers on various websites, including the Balenciaga one. Different styles tend to sell out a lot quicker than others. The classic white ones that pretty much everyone owns are actually sold out on nearly every single website at the moment, apart from like specific sizing. I actually didn't go for the plain white. I'll show you in a minute what I did go for, but I bought mine from Farfetch. They're really quick with delivery. They're always really efficient. They update you 24/7 and they're just a really great website to shop from. So I actually have a few other bits in my basket at the moment that I'm thinking of investing in after Christmas, but yeah, for now I just got these, which come in the mother of all boxes. But I just love the way they package stuff. So this is kind of what you get when you open the box. Very nice and white. I've opened these already and had a little look, but I put everything back in exactly as it was so I could show you in a video. And the one thing that made me laugh quite a bit was the fact that the shoe box comes in a dust bag. So you have a dust bag for the box, which you don't really need, but it comes in one. So that is fantastic. Let's get these out. Now this is the shoe box, which I have to admit, I do prefer the packaging of other brands a lot better in terms of, like, my Gucci shoes came in a really nice box. The box is really high quality. It's one that I can kind of use over and over again and just keep my shoes in. Whereas Balenciaga literally comes in a flippy uppy shoe box with Balenciaga on the front. Very basic. Not really like a high quality packaging as such. But anyway, so when you open the box, this is what you see. So you just get the little kind of care booklet there, a spare set of laces. Yeah, there's lots of laces in here, so if you get them dirty, I guess, or if you just want to, I don't know if you'd want to change the laces when they're exactly the same. And then you get your dust bag for the trainers, and then there's a lot of tissue here. So this is the trainers that I got. There's one and then one's like under the other tissue, so I'll show you the one shoe. So this is the trainer. I actually went for the navy and nude version, which I believe is a newer season. The one thing I did want to mention is that the newer season is slightly different. So some of the styles have a B at the back and they've also got a slightly different lacing. So if you're having a look online, just be kind of wary that the laces might be slightly different on different colorways. I actually went for this colorway instead of the plain black or white or bright colors because I just think it's way more me. I love the nude. I love the kind of muted, kind of retro style navy. It's kind of like that mottled, like almost gunmetal grey. It's really, really nice. I think it's so cute, and these are just kind of a muted understatement rather than being too in your face. And also this colorway is just very, very in keeping and fitting to my wardrobe, which is obviously essential because you want to be able to wear your new shoes a lot, especially if you paid a lot of money for them. Quality wise, these feel really great. They're a lot lighter than I expected them to be. So obviously they are quite a chunky trainer. There is a lot of sole here, but they don't weigh as much as I thought they would. I kind of thought they'd be heavier and I thought they'd be a lot more like clumpy and like weighty, but they are big, don't get me wrong. Like they are huge, like even compared to the size of my hand, like they're massive, but they just don't weigh as much as I thought. I'm not sure obviously on exact weights, but they're not as weighty as I thought they would be. The sole has obviously all the different kind of parts to it, really, really chunky and like coloured and stuff. I just really like them, honestly. I think I could just go on for ages about the colours and stuff. I just love the way they look. They've obviously got Balenciaga on the sole, down the middle. They've got the navy kind of running through the little clumpy bits. Lots of different textures. So you've got some leather, you've got some of the mesh bits. You've got the original style laces, which actually in the new season they have changed the laces, which I wasn't a massive fan of, to be honest, because I think when you're paying for like a high quality shoe and it's quite expensive, you don't want laces that look really cheap. I just wasn't a fan. I kind of love this style of lace. I just think it looks a lot more in keeping to the chunkiness of the trainer. I feel like I'm literally talking in like some weird language right now about a blooming shoe, but yeah, I just really liked these. I loved the colorway, I love the laces. I have wanted these for so long, and I'm really glad to have them, and I think they're just going to fit really great into my wardrobe. Like, they're the kind of shoe that will just go with everything, I guess you could say. I know they're not for everyone. I know some people do think these are the ugliest trainers ever, but I personally think they are the cutest thing, and I love them, and I'm definitely going to get a lot of wear out of them, so I'm very glad that I took the investment. Quick to note as well, depending where you get them from, there is often quite a lot of discounts online, so you can get maybe like 10% off or 20% depending on different websites, discounts at different times, and different colorways I find sell out a lot quicker than others. So like the white and the black tend to sell out quite quickly, but if you get this style or the ones that are like black, white and pink, or the blue ones and stuff, they obviously just vary in sizes that are available online. We've talked about the shoe, let's talk about the price. So price wise, these are quite expensive. They are £645 or 600 and I believe 14 or 15 depending on the colorway that you get. So if you get the plain white or black, they're obviously a little bit cheaper. I do think it's worth it. Obviously it is a lot of money for a shoe. I'm not gonna excuse the fact that that is a ridiculous amount of money, but I think for a shoe that you're gonna get a lot of wear out of, that's kind of not too bad. If you're gonna wear them a lot, I think it's worth the investment because they are obviously a lot higher quality. They're a better shoe overall, but obviously it is still a big investment to make, so I'm not trying to take it lightly and say that that's not a lot of money. I know I'm going to wear these a lot, and I know they're going to end up being cost per wear quite effective, so I know they're going to be a good investment for me. But obviously, yeah, take into consideration how much you'll actually wear them. Don't just go invest in them because everyone has them and never wear them, because that would obviously just be a massive waste. And that is the end of my unboxing. I still feel really awkward when I do these because I kind of don't know what to say in them. I feel like unboxings are a really confusing thing to get the hang of. But I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to let me know in the comments if you have got these yourself, if you've got any styling tips for them or ways that you think they'd look great, and also any designer purchases that you are thinking of making, because I'd love to know kind of what people are looking at, because I think everyone has like a designer wish list of things they want. So what I want might be completely different to like what you want or what the next person wants. Some people want a belt or a scarf or a bag or a shoe or a coat or whatever. So let me know in the comments, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.